Good morning, guys, and welcome to another segment of Rouser World. So today, what we're going to be doing is a quick tutorial on how to draw the cartoon eye. Okay, so guys, you're not going to believe how easy this really is, but I'm just going to go ahead and show it to you in the first place. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start with the eyebrow shape. Okay, so if you look at our model here, we'll go ahead and use our eyebrows kind of like a what's the word I'm looking for, a map to tell us how far apart our eyes need to be. So we'll go 1 and 2, okay, and then I'll just bring my little shape up here and connect it, and bring my shape here and connect it. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw our eyeball in there. Okay, so put our eyeball kind of in the middle, so we'll go 1 eyeball here, 1 eyeball there. Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll put a little eyeball in the middle of that, and then we'll put a little circle in there. Now you're saying, well, that don't look like her eyes yet. Okay, voila. So what we're going to do is we'll add a little bit of the shape to this side and a little bit of the shape to that side. Then we'll add a little bit of the shape to this side and a little bit of the shape to that side. Okay, and then we'll bring our bottom shape across, right? And then we'll add our little line on the top, and then we'll add our little eyelashes, and then we'll add our eyelashes on the bottom. See how easy that was? So by drawing the eyeball first, it allows you to get the eyeballs at the right distance apart. So if you notice that the eyes have a huge distance in between them, maybe you might want to draw those further apart or closer together, but that'll allow you to be able to properly capture those type of eyes. And also, let's just say if someone has an offset, it'll be easier for you to draw it if you draw the pupils of the eye first and then surround it with the eye shape. Okay, so let's go to our second model. We're going to once again go with those big bushy eyebrows. See here? Bushy eyebrows. Now, where are his eyes at? Well, it looks like they're looking at the camera, but kind of like this way, right? So now we know that we'll put our eyeball here and here. At the end of these here. You see that at the end of the eyebrow. Now we'll go ahead and we'll add our eyeball in there. 1 and 2, right? And then what we'll do is we'll add the other shape to the eye. So we see it's going to be a little bit of shape over here, but a lot of shape over here, and a little bit of shape over here, and a lot of shape over here. You see? And then we'll go ahead and we'll add the top part to our shape. Then we'll add the top part to our shape, right? And then we'll go ahead and we'll add the bottom part to our shape, just like so. 1 and 2. Oh, we forgot to add our little light in there. Okay, and then we just go ahead and we add our eyelashes. So I'll just do something like this. Okay, and we can see we got a nice little decent cartoon picture of the guy with the bushy eyebrows. Okay, so we're going to go ahead with one more model. Okay, so we're going to go with this little baby here, little baby, and it's a Chinese eye, so you get to learn how to draw Chinese eyes today. All right, so we're going to do once again, we'll draw our top shape here, another shape here. Because it's a baby shape, we're going to go with something that looks kind of, not too, with soft curves. All right, and now what we're going to do is we're going to draw big pupils. Okay, and then we'll color them in. So you'll make them look like they're looking at the camera. See that? Now what we can do is we'll go ahead and we'll draw the top part of the side of the eye here. So we'll go 1 and 2, right? And then we'll draw the other side of the eye. We'll go 1, 2, and then we'll make it come to the bottom, just like so. 1, 2, and then we'll put our look. And because this is coming, the icon is coming from underneath this little fold here, then we'll do like that and like that. Okay, and then we add our little eyelashes in there, and voila, we have some Chinese eyes. Okay, so guys, that was a quick tutorial on how to draw eyes. Remember what we went over? Just to draw your pupils first, and that'll give you an idea of how to get your eyes to look where you want them to look, and then you'll actually form the eye shape around the pupil, and then it makes it a lot easier for you to get that likeness. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial on how to draw your eyes. We'll be posting more videos on this soon. If you have any questions or comments, you want us to draw or make a video on something that you're having problems with, please just leave your message in the comment section, or you can message us on Facebook, Instagram. We also have those pages as well. All right, guys, so thanks a lot for watching, and you guys have a blessed and wonderful evening.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.